Hi guys, it's me again, Peter of GIZGUIDE.com, and welcome back to another video. Technology giant Huawei recently launched the FreeBuds 5i as the follow-up to the FreeBuds 4i last year. In case you missed our written review sa website namin, na-impress kami talaga sa kanya kasi meron siyang ANC or Active Noise Cancellation and matinong audio quality despite its affordable price tag of just 3,599 pesos. On paper, balak yun higitan ng tolo ni Huawei with the FreeBuds 5i. Tara, silipin natin siya. The packaging is still the same. Kahit mas mura to, premium yung datingan and similar pa nga kay FreeBuds Pro 2. Dahil fan ako ng music at mga magagandang audio gear, yung unang napansin ko is meron siyang high-res audio wireless certification. That means na natest siya ng Japan Electronics Association, also known as JITA, at pumasa sa rigorous testing and qualifications nila para masabing maganda ang tunog niya talaga. Mga expert yun. Anyway, let's talk more about that later. Sa likod ng box, you will see yung iba niyang other key features. Once you open the packaging, you will immediately see the charging case with the buds inside. After that, you will be greeted by a 3-month free trial card for Huawei Music, yung sariling music app ni Huawei. Then you will see the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, large and small pairs of extra ear tips, and paper documentation. Tatlo talaga yung sizes niya. Yung medium size ear tips nakakabit na by default dun sa earbuds na nasa case. I am not sure if this is made with recycled materials, but yung finish ng case niya is reminding me of one. Anyway, it is a pebble-shaped plastic, but it feels fairly durable. Moreover, the FreeBuds 5i has an IP54 water and dust resistance rating. This means that it is protected from limited dust ingress and water spray from any direction. Sa mga mahilig mag-workout dyan, pwede to and hindi siya masisira ng pawis basta-basta. It is also sleek and could be considered elegant looking at the same time. Has nice curves and frosted pebble-like textures kasi. Ang finish na to is available on the Isle Blue or Nebula Black colorways. Meanwhile, meron din siyang ceramic white variant and glossier yung look nun. Personally, mas gusto ko yung Isle Blue na nakuha ko as it is not prone to fingerprint smudges. The device is also very easy to fit in your pocket or bag. Similar to other FreeBuds, its case has an LED indicator in front, a USB-C port for charging below, and a pairing key at right. When opened, you will immediately see the buds. I would just like to note na its magnets are a bit strong, so baka magulat ka at medyo mahirapan siyang hilahin. For me, this is a good thing as alam mong secured yung buds when you open the case and hindi siya basta-basta malalaglag. For the body ng buds, it reminds us of the FreeBuds Pro. It is an in-ear design with half in-ear buds like slant and an elongated stem for the microphones. Mas manipis lang and mas mahaba yung stem niya. Sabi ni Huawei, each bud just weigh 4.9 grams and magaan talaga siya nung hawak ko. When it comes to comfort, the buds fit very well in my ears using the default medium-sized ear tips. Huawei is doing a pretty good job sa comfort department as this has no sharp edges and it can sit comfortably in my ears for hours. Dahil nga magaan siya, non-fatiguing siya. The tips that Huawei use here are pretty high quality and it reminds me of more expensive tips with medical grade materials that are skin friendly. For me, hindi siya nakaka-irritate sa tenga and okay pa yung seal. Hindi mo na kailangang isuksok ng todo unlike yung ibang in-ear buds. For me, actually, enough na siya para mabawasan yung ingay sa paligid mo. Partida, hindi ka pa ginagamit yung ANC niya. With ANC turned on, hindi ko na marinig even yung iyak ng baby ko. If someone shouts at me, mga ilang shouts bago ko marinig. This ANC is strong by default. Actually, sabi ni Huawei, up to 42 dB yung noise cancellation niya. In comparison, yung iba around 30 dB lang, considered as malakas na yung ANC. We do not have the equipment to measure yung exact capabilities ng ANC niya, but based on my personal experience, mas malakas yung ANC niya sa Nothing Ear 1 ko and Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. It is also not far behind the Huawei FreeBuds 2 and Sony WF-1000 XM4 ko. Of course, meron din siyang transparency mode if you want to listen to music while staying aware sa surroundings mo. para mas safe ka in case tumatakbo-takbo ka sa daan. Yung transparency mode niya is not as loud as more expensive earbuds, but pwede na. This is understandable kasi nga super mura nito. For battery, each bud has 55 mAh capacity. According to Huawei, kaya nito up to 7.5 hours without ANC and 6 hours with ANC. In our experience, parang sobra pa nga eh. I usually use it with or without ANC and tumatagal siya ng 2 days sa akin with around 4 to 5 hours of use per day. I usually listen to a lot of music at 50% volume on my phone or PC or watch K-dramas on my tablet before going to sleep. Once malobat, simply put back the buds into the case. Around 1 hour lang, full charge na siya ulit. Charging case has a 410 mAh battery and can provide a total of 18.5 hours with ANC and up to 28 hours of music playback without ANC. Sa mga mas mahal na buds, I've seen mga 8 hours battery with ANC. Pero at this price point, solid na itong battery performance niya. Using the FreeBuds 5i is very easy. All you need to do is pair it to your device. Simply open the lid of the buds and press and hold the button on the right side of the buds and open Bluetooth on your settings. May pop-up and pair din siya sa mga phones and even sa PC, especially Huawei devices. Oh, meron din pala itong dual device connection. So, pwede siya kahit naka-connect sa PC mo and phone mo at the same time. Smooth din yung transition when switching from PC to smartphone or vice versa. After that, very fast and easy na to connect and reconnect. For controls naman, all you need to do is double tap lang to play and pause or answer or drop a call. You can also press and hold either side of the buds to activate ANC controls. Sa app naman niya, you can also select different ANC features, EQs, customize gestures, find the device, and more. Yung Ultra ANC niya, solid talaga sa mga noisy places. May smart wear detection din siya and 94 milliseconds low latency mode. So it stops and plays automatically when you remove the buds and mukhang totoo naman na hindi napuputol yung connection niya basta-basta. Pretty clear din yung microphones niya for calls decent din for recordings. Ang pinaka-niyayabang ni Huawei sa FreeBuds 5i ay yung audio performance niya. Why? As mentioned earlier, meron siyang high-res sound due to its use of a 10mm dynamic driver plus a polymer composite diaphragm and LDAC codec support. Just note that you need a device that supports LDAC like most Huawei and Android phones and a music player like Apple Music that supports LDAC. You may also use your collection of FLAC lossless audio files and copy them to your smartphone to enjoy high-quality tunes. Make sure din to update the buds via the AI Life app. Unlike the FreeBuds Pro 2, wala siyang HUAWEI certification though. But at 3,599 pesos lamang, siya na ang pinaka-affordable in my earphones collections with high-res audio and LDAC support. So, how does it sound? For the price, it is superb for me. The signature is still a bit warm, but it is brighter than the FreeBuds Pro 2. The lows were solid, fast and reasonably tight siya, very punchy yet hindi overpowering. Ang sarap sa tenga nung paggapang din nung sub-bass niya when I'm listening to Shooting Star by XG sa Apple Music. The mids naman are alright. For the price, it is pretty good. Great siya sa female vocals. Pretty good din yung separation ng details. My more expensive Anker Soundcore Liberty Pro 2 price at 10K is still sonically a bit more analytical, mas dinig yung micro details ng konti, and a tad brighter kasi mas emphasize yung cymbals and more. But for me, the FreeBuds 5i is at least 85% na in terms of the overall sound. That is a win na kasi nga again sobrang mura nito. Yung annoying na hissing sa S-sound, hindi rin masyadong prominent here. Slightly easier to drive pa siya, so about 50% loudness lang, okay ka na. Sa iba, I needed to crank the volume to 60% or even higher to make them shine. This soundstage is not the widest, but this is understandable for its size and price. It is wide enough to perform well on concert tracks and help you distinguish where the singer and the instruments are. I enjoyed listening to Bohemian Rhapsody dito, dinig pa yung crowd in the background cheering for the band. Pro tip lang to best enjoy yung pagka-high res niya, turn off yung ANC. ANC in general, kahit sa mga mas mahal na buds, medyo nakakabawa sa sound quality. Glad na minimal lang yung sa Huawei though, which allowed us to still enjoy great sound even if the ANC is on. So, kahit maingay sa paligid mo, pwede ka pa din ma-immerse sa pinapakinggan or pinapanood mo. Anyway, here are its pros and cons. Check the specs din here. Pause ninyo na lang para mabasa ninyo. Matindi yung ginawa ni Huawei dito. And I think that they are disrupting the affordable TWS market. Imagine, you don't need to spend a lot of cash anymore just to enjoy high-res wireless certified TWS buds with LDAC codec support. For me, it is also as good as advertised and we really enjoyed using it, especially at this price point. While most more expensive high-res buds, especially in the 10K and above range, will be sonically better, not many can compete with its audio prowess, ANC, and stable connectivity in the sub-5K range. This is one of the best sounding buds that you can get for the price for me. So, are we going to recommend this product? The answer is a resounding yes, especially if you want a high quality buds for less. Again, this is Peter of GIZGUIDE.com. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye and stay safe always.